All right, Jackson RC Aviation. We are finally getting ready to see the maiden of the dancing wing, Storch. I know everybody's been waiting, but it is what it is. Nice day out today. We're gonna stay low. Well, we're in the midst of getting everything ready. All right, here we go. Now or never, so help me God. The dancing wing, Storch. FI156, correct?
Something like that.
Right on. Live by the sword, you die by the sword.
She's slow.
What would that be?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's a slow plate anyway.
Yeah.
The dancing wing, Storch.
That thing is beautiful up there.
Mm-hmm.
That thing is gorgeous, Jackson.
I'm trying to get it so I can stay out of the sun.
Working on it.
It really blends into the sky real well. Seems a little bit out of whack, but not too much.
It's not actually bad.
Yeah.
Could just be me. I haven't flown in 3 months.
All right.
All right, we're going to attempt a landing now.
All right.
Full on crosswind.
The dancing wing, Storch, is back on the ground. One more for the good guys.
Mason, you really have to use a lot of rudder or else this thing stalls.
Well, if it's a problem, yank it real quick. If there's a problem, you know what to do.
Power on through the turn. Pilot Mason's at it. Okay.
All right. There we go, the dancing wing. Hobbies, STORCH 156 something. All right, landed. Can we get a nice straight down the runway as you come down, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I can give you one.
All right. Watch out! Oh, we have fun, baby. This is what y'all been waiting for. The STORCH is finally up in the air like we just don't care. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. All right, crazy horse. That is it. Thanks for coming to Jackson RC Aviation. It's been a labor of love with all my crew. We want to thank you. We'll see you soon.
Bye.